Today, we're diving into the top 5 AI tools that can help you generate passive income. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to level up your current side hustle, these tools will show you how to create digital assets that bring in money even while you sleep. And here's the best part. You won't need any technical skills or experience to get started. So if you've been dreaming of financial freedom, it's time to wake up and take action. Let's dive in. All right, first things first. Let's talk about what passive income actually means. It's all about making money with minimal ongoing effort. Think about it like this. You put in the work up front, and then you reap the rewards even when you're not actively working. It's like having a little piece of the pie that keeps on giving without you having to do any more work. Now let's explore some of the best AI tools out there that can supercharge your passive income potential. Coming in hot at number 1 is ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is a game changer for anyone looking to automate their way to passive income. Whether you're creating blogs, ebooks, email campaigns, or product descriptions, ChatGPT can write just about anything you need. Plus, it can help you create content that ranks well in search engines, bringing in loads of traffic and affiliate income. Not only that, but you can also use ChatGPT to offer your writing services to businesses as a freelancer. So not only can you leverage it to create content for your own passive income streams, but you can also monetize it by providing a valuable service to others. Next up at number 2 is Pictory. In the age of video content, Pictory is your secret weapon for turning text into YouTube videos in minutes. All you need to do is add a script, choose some visuals, and pick a voice, and boom, you've got yourself a video. It's like having your own personal video editor, except it's AI-powered and way faster. Imagine starting a faceless YouTube channel where you never have to show your face or worry about editing videos. With Picta, it's totally possible. You can also use it to create explicable videos for your blog posts or product demos for your online store. The possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about number 3, MidJourney. MidJourney is your gateway to the world of AI-generated art, and it's perfect for those looking to sell their artwork online. With MidJourney, you can create stunning images and illustrations that you can sell as prints on Etsy, or even use to create coloring books and journals to sell on Amazon KDP. If you're an artist or just someone who loves to doodle, MidJourney can help you turn your passion into profit. Coming in at number 4 is Notion plus AI. Now here's a game changer for those looking to create and sell digital templates. With Notion, you can design beautiful planners, habit trackers, or business tools and sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Plus, with the help of AI, you can create multiple variations of your templates in no time. And the best part, you only have to create the template once. After that, you can upload it to a platform like Gumroad, where it will live on forever, bringing in sales even while you sleep. Finally, at number 5, we have systeme.io. If you're looking to build automated funnels to sell your products or services, then System is the tool for you. With its drag-and-drop builder, you can create landing pages, email lists, and automated sales funnels in no time. And with the help of ChatGPT, you can create compelling copy and emails that will convince people to buy from you. Plus, System integrates with a ton of other apps so you can easily collect payments, manage your leads, and deliver your products to customers. So there you have it, 5 amazing AI tools to help you generate passive income. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort. But with AI, you can do it faster, cheaper, and smarter than ever before. Don't wait another minute to start your journey towards financial freedom. Take action today and let AI do the rest. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for making the most of AI. Until next time, good luck on your passive income journey.